Sukantha, 30 years of transforming the traditional Thai rice snack of Phetchaburi into Rice Crisps, whole gran Thai jasmine rice with mixed seed. Good things in Phetchaburi, selling all over the world. In the year of the Buddhist era, 2536, from the humble beginnings of Mother Sukantha Thai Phanit, who loved making Thai desserts, has developed a recipe for Khanom Khao Thang, a local dessert of Phetchaburi province, produced in easy-to-pack bags. Consignments were sold at dessert shops and continued to open storefronts, which opened the legend of the first serious producer of Khao Thang Song Krueng in Phetchaburi province. In the year of the Buddhist era, 2548, Mr. Pakon Tung Phanit and Ms. Jutharat Tung Phanit, two brothers who saw business growth and seeing opportunities to continue and expand the Khao Thang snack business, decided to turn my back on my regular job and aiming to continue the family business that mother has built a strong customer base. Therefore, Sukantha Thai Snack Company Limited was established with the aim of seeing traditional Thai snacks, Khao Thang, sold all over the world. From a small factory that produces homemade products, it was developed into a factory producing rice snacks that has received international standards, whether it is GHPS, HACCP, and Halal standards, and has also received the Prime Minister Export Award for Outstanding Export Business Operators, Best Halal Product Award category, which is another pride of Sukantha Thai Snacks Company Limited. We have also developed products to be diverse, modern, and meet the needs of modern consumers who are health conscious by meticulously selecting raw materials, especially high-quality jasmine rice, seasoned with a unique recipe combining the sweet and gentle aroma of muang phet palm sugar and Thai herbs, no MSG, no preservatives added, giving both taste and modern Thai-ness that have won the hearts of customers throughout the past 30 years. From the original famous Khao Thang recipe in Phetchaburi province, a famous souvenir that tourists often buy to give to their relatives, expanded by using yourself to meet with customers through booths at trade shows, followed by delivery to leading department stores and convenience stores such as every branch of the mall, Siam Paragon, Terminal 21, M Quartier, Lemon Farm, Golden Place, Foodland. It has also expanded its markets to foreign countries such as Vietnam, China, India, Dubai, the United States, and has also been trusted in contract production for importers' brands, export to many countries. To emphasize that it is a local product produced by people in the area, working with the community is something that Khao Thang Sukantha gives importance to. As the business grows and becomes strong, we don't forget to turn around and help support our brothers and sisters in Phetchaburi province to have income and grow sustainably. We have worked in connection with our brothers and sisters in the community to develop products that are good and outstanding in each community and each district of Phetchaburi province, and open space for products to be displayed in stores and online channels to create money for brothers and sisters in the community. Sukantha 30 years, delicious for the whole family.